this is Jamie from Shanti. I'm here for you with a quick tip on our Pele Essence Cleanse. So Pele is named after the Hawaiian volcano and fire goddess, and it is an essence that is used to invoke transformation. It is also an essence that we say can be used to help raise your inner Agni or your inner fire. So if you're feeling like your energy has been depleted or is a little bit low, or you're running yin, meaning you're having a harder time fighting off things, then it could be that your stress defense is lowered and that you could benefit from this essence. It's also a really good essence if you're working through resentments or feeling like there's blockages or creative blocks that you need to burn out. And it's one of our premier essences that I would recommend working with for releasing anger. So when you want to help channel like anger or especially frustration or feelings of injustice into something more productive and creative, this is a really good essence to work with. And it's named Pele because many of the flowers and minerals in it were harvested from the farm near volcano, and it is for that reason literally while the volcano was active, so it carries a lot of the natural energy of that space. And so you can really work with it for a deeper type of purification and help you move towards like inner transformation. So that would be our Pele essence.